Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Satomi. Today's video is going to be a Let's Chat video. I am starting a series on my channel called Let's Chat, Getting Real About Everything. And this is a series where I will be talking and having a chat with other women on topics that we can all relate to. Now, unfortunately, because of the pandemic and because of the stay-at-home mandate, it has been extremely difficult, as you can imagine, for me to actually have someone come over and film with me. So I'm gonna have to be patient and wait for life to just sort of get back to normal so I can actually have these chats and conversations with others. So today, what I wanted to do is I wanted to go ahead and start this series, and I'm just gonna have a chat with you. I wanted to talk to you about something that's been on my heart. So today's video is gonna be a Let's Chat video, and the topic is gonna be expectations. So the expectations that I'm talking about are specifically for the new year. I hear a lot of people saying that they can't wait for this year to be over, 2020. They can't wait for 2020 to be over. And they can't wait for the new year to get here. It just can't get here soon enough. But by saying that, there's this underlying assumption that 2021 is going to somehow be different than today. It's assuming that miraculously on January 1st, 2021, life is going to get back to normal. And as much as we all want that to be true, the reality is we're still going to be in a global pandemic. We very possibly could still be on a mandatory stay-at-home mandate, or many people could still feel uncomfortable or unsafe going out and getting back to life as usual. So I think it's really important for myself to have realistic expectations of the new year. And I also wanted to share this with you in hopes that this could be helpful to you. There's nothing wrong with hoping for the best, and we should. But as we do, we should also arm ourselves with truth and reality. So instead of thinking that 2021 is going to miraculously be different, we can instead focus on a few things that will help 2021 be a better year for us, regardless of what's going on in the world around us. So I thought I'd share 3 ideas with you. The first one has something to do with your home, and it has to do with beginning the process of decluttering. So here's what that would look like. If you set a timer for 15 minutes every single day and use that 15 minutes to clean or declutter one small area of your home. And when I say small, I mean very small, like one kitchen drawer, or one drawer in your dresser, or one shelf in one of your kitchen cupboards, or your linen closet, or one category of clothes in your closet, for example, just your jeans. If you could spend 15 minutes every single day using that time to clean something out or declutter something from your home, you'll be amazed at what will happen over a week's time, a month's time, several months' time. You will get your entire house decluttered and organized. 15 minutes is not a lot of time. So we all have a spare 15 minutes. And you'll be surprised how much you could actually get done in that amount of time. Commit to doing this very simple thing every single day and watch your momentum build. It gets exciting, and you're doing something good for yourself and for your home. And if you miss one day, no worries. Just get back on it the next day. Don't let missing a day here or there stop the process for you. Just start it again once you remember, or once it's the next day. Idea number 2, start something new. something that makes you happy and something that will bring you joy. It can be something small like starting a puzzle. You can purchase a puzzle that you want to put together, clear off one of your tables, and set some time aside each and every day to dedicate that time of enjoyment of putting a puzzle together. Or maybe you want to paint your bedroom a different color. Set a little bit of time aside every single day to work on that project. Or maybe you want to do something for your health and you want to start taking 10-minute walks. Whatever it is, prepare yourself to have something to focus on. That doesn't take all of your time and so you'll never do it. No, prepare yourself to do something small every single day. Just carve out a small amount of time for you to do this project or to do this thing that brings you enjoyment. And that gives you a positive thing to focus on in the new year. For me, I've been focusing on my YouTube channel. I have to come up with video ideas and I have to do video prep. And you know, my husband is well versed in YouTube and technology, and some might think that he helps me with my videos. But the truth and reality is, I do it all by myself. I film every video by myself. I do all of my own video editing. I create my own thumbnails and fill out the description box. It takes a lot of time and focus, but I enjoy doing this. I look forward to building my channel. I also love to sing, and I have a karaoke machine at home. And anytime I want to enjoy my time singing, I do, and it makes me very happy. My third and final idea is to make a commitment to focus on and speak about only the good things that are happening in your life. We all have challenges that we have to face on a daily basis. So there's always something to complain about. But the thoughts and the words that we choose to think on and speak create a mood and a mental state that we then experience, be it for good or bad. The secret is we have the choice, and what we choose, we will experience. Let me just give you an example. We've all spent time with that person who is super negative and they're complaining and talking about their problems. And as we're with them, you could sort of feel your energy just being drained and you're starting to feel bad, and you leave them, and when you first went to go spend time with this person, you were happy, you were hopeful, you know, you were in a great mood, and you go home and you've kind of taken on the weight of the burdensome feelings that they were having. Or we've also all experienced being with that positive person who's excited about life, and when you're with them, you get excited, you get hopeful. It's a very happy and joyful experience. And when you leave them, you're feeling motivated and hopeful. And just like someone can do that for you, you can do that for yourself as well. The thoughts that you speak and the words that you say do carry weight. Don't put that negative burden on yourself. Don't do that to yourself. And think about others. You don't want to put that on other people either. Make a decision to practice and train yourself to just focus on all of the good things that are going in your life. Yes, there's tons of challenges and tons of things that you could complain about, but let that be. Don't think about it. Don't speak about it, and just bring life to the good. The point here is to have something to focus on. Have something to actively do with your time that brings you happiness and joy. And if you're in a very busy season of life right now, maybe you're working and you have young kids at home, maybe every day, even if it is only for 15 minutes, is just not possible for you. And if that's the case, then shoot for once a week. Give yourself something to enjoy and something to look forward to every single week, but make it a point to pursue joy and pursue happiness for yourself. Nobody is going to do it for you, and if you want it, you have to do it on purpose. 2021 is right around the corner, and I don't want us to have unrealistic expectations. Instead of using our energy for wanting this year, 2020, to be over, let's prepare ourselves to have things to focus on and actively participate in that will bring us joy and happiness regardless of what 2021 brings our way. We have no control over what happens in the world around us, but we do have control on what we focus on and how we spend our time. So I just wanted to share this with you because, like I said, I've been hearing people say they can't wait for this year to be over. They can't wait for 2020 to be gone. They are looking forward to 2021, and I am too. But I just want to make sure that we're not disappointed when the new year shows up. And we won't be disappointed if we take control of what we think about, what we focus on, and if we prepare to have some plans to make 2021 a great year, regardless of whatever is happening in the world. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other videos. I'm Satomi, and I make videos sharing how I take care of my home, my family, and myself. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video.